So here we're going to learn about some settings in Obsidian. Now you can find the settings here, click on it, and then we have here the editor pane. Default new pane view is editing view, and we have reading view. It's up to you. Obviously I'm going to leave it to editing view because the moment I'm going to start using Obsidian, I'm going to start writing. Now most of the settings, just leave it the way it is. Okay. Using legacy editor, okay, fine. Display, just leave them the way they are. They're fine. Right to left, if you're writing Arabic here. Now let's go and check the file and links. Now whenever we delete any note from here, I'm gonna keep it to move to system trash. Now if you're using Windows, you're gonna have recycle bin, and if you're using Mac, you can have your own trash. Now obviously you can just immediately make it permanent to delete, or you can use it the Obsidian trash, which is the trash folder that comes in with Obsidian. But I'm gonna keep it to move to system trash because maybe later on I want to retrieve it. Okay, and now this one automatically update internal links. I will keep it on because this is very important. Now how does this work? Let's say I wrote in the previous video I wrote machine learning, and inside machine learning I wrote supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Now let's say I misspelled the supervised learning, and I went and I corrected the supervised learning inside machine learning. And I mean, I did that after I created 2 or 3 notes in classification integration. I already linked that to the previous one. The moment I'm going to go and I am going to change the supervised learning inside machine learning, it will be automatically updated in all the notes instead of going in and doing it manually. Don't worry, I'm going to do it in front of you. Okay. Default location for new notes is going to be obviously the default folder that we use at the first video, and the rest of it just leave it the way it is. Okay. And here we have the base theme. We have dark and we have light. Oh my god, just keep it dark. Okay. The font size, you can increase it if you want. You can see. Okay. And themes, now you can also add your own CSS and snippets, and you can change the colors by yourself if you don't like the dark and the light one that came in, and you can choose other themes. You can download them, but for now just keep it the way it is. And let's go to where core plugin. These are all okay. Tag pan. Now tag pan display your tags and their number of occurrences. What tag pan is, if you remember that we wrote some hashtags and some tags, and basically it's going to tell me that how many times I use the same tag. So I'm going to keep it on, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And page preview, it's already on. If it wasn't, you keep it on, because the moment you're just going to put the mouse cursor on a link, it's going to give you a preview. I'll show you right now. And the rest of it, keep it. Star frequently used files. Okay, starred, keep it on. Now what do I mean by star? Remember when you're checking website on Google Chrome and you like this website, you can just go and start it so you can later on and go and check it out, kind of like bookmarking it. Same thing here. Again, I'm going to show you how it's done. So now just go upstairs here, and these are the things that we want it to be on, and then let's go to the editor and choose spell check. Spell check, if it was off, you keep it on. If it was like this, you keep it on. And then now let's go and try the things that we activated here. The first thing, I'm going to come here and go to the classification. Let's say I'm going to start typing hello. Now you see it gave me an error and world. So right click hello and right click world. This is the spell check. And remember the tag pan, it was added here, You can see that I have regression tag, it was used 5 times, classification tag, what was used 3 times, and AI tag, which was used only once. So you can see that this is the tag band that was appeared after we activated it from the settings. One thing we did also was the star link or star notes, which is appearing here. I mean, let's say I'm studying right now about linear regression and I want to start this note. So I'm going to right click on star and going to successfully start. Go to the start pan and you will see that linear regression was added here. You can also remove it if you don't no longer want to make it start, but it will still remain here. Right click, delete. It's going to go to the system trash, which is recycle bin. And the last thing we have is called the updated links. Now if you remember here, I have 3 links: data science and machine learning and deep learning. Now let's say this is actually a whole note here. Later on I changed the name of machine learning and made it to be machine learning with double G. I'm going to click enter and updated one link in a file, which is this one. If you see now here, it added double G. So the best thing is that you can just go and rename the notes here, and whatever the link that you created, it will be immediately updated instead of going it and doing it all manually all over again. So in this video we learn about how to activate the spell checker so we don't make mistakes when we're writing. We know about the page preview, which was already on. If it wasn't on, you make it on, which is just put the mouse cursor and it's going to appear here immediately like this. This is the page preview, and we have the tag pan here, tag pane, where it's going to tell me how many times these tags were used. And we have start nodes, so I can see the most commonly used nodes, so I can start it. Same thing exactly like when you do it in the web browser. You just go and start the website. It's going to bookmark it. And how to delete files. You want to make it permanently, go here and change it. Move to system trash, permanently delete or keep it move to system trash. And updating the link, all you have to do is just activate the updating the link in settings and come here and change the name of the notes, and they will be updated inside the notes. I hope this video was easy and clear, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. So if you are interested in buying the full course, you'll find 2 courses in Obsidian on Udemy. The first one is Learn Obsidian from Scratch. In this course, I'm going to teach the fundamentals of Obsidian. And the second course is going to be Improve Your Productivity Using Obsidian. So you have these 2 courses. It's only $30, and I will leave a link in the description below with a discount. So if you are interested, you can buy the full course in a discount. And I will see you in the next video.